What's poppin', guys? It's Dynamite, and I want to announce the Jersey Club Essential Mixing Template. The Jersey Club Essential Mixing Template is based off the Jersey Club Essential drum kit, and then combined allows you to speed up your production and enhance the sound quality of your track without wasting any time focusing on the mix. I'll show you how it works, and at the end of the video, I'll tell you where you can get it. Now, as you can see, I already have it opened, but if you just downloaded the file, I'll show you how to install it first. Now, I have it on my desktop right now, but I'll show you where to put it in your FL Studio setup files. But for me, it will be in my data folder because that's where I installed it. So I'll go to my program files. For you guys, it may be in your C drive, depending on where you installed it. But I'll go to my program files, look for image line, go to FL Studio 20. And then once you're in your FL Studio 20 folder, go to data, templates, and just drag and drop the Jersey Club Essential FL template here. I already did it, so I'm just showing how you would do it. Now once you installed it, open up FL. Once you open up FL, go to File, go to New from Template, and you'll see Jersey Club Essential FL template. Click that, and it'll load everything up. Now, as you can see, I have the 808, the famous say, everything that's inside the Jersey Club Essential drum kit. I already linked to the mixing tracks. Each has its own playlist. I even put some MIDI files for you guys. And I made a master chain for you guys. It will allow you to have the hard hitting sounds, but also it won't clip because I have a soft clip in there as well. I'll demonstrate how it can be very useful for you guys. But before I do so, go to your options, go to general, go to default template, and just click Jersey Club Essential FL template. And that way when you close it and open it again, you'll open up the Jersey Club Essential FL template. Now, once you have it open, you're free to do whatever you want. You can make your Jersey Club tracks. But I would recommend you turn off the master bus first because it may make every other sound loud. The reason for that is because I have the wave shaper. If I were to click an 808 from Jersey Club Essential drum kit, it sounds pretty low. But once I turn on the master, it's much louder. But if I were to click another sound besides the channel rack, I'll click on the KBC Girlfriend. It sounds normal, but with it on, it's really loud. So that's why I would recommend you first to turn it off when you're using it. And then once you make the song, then turn it on. I hope you guys enjoyed the Jersey Club Essential mixing template. Let me know how you guys feel about it in the comment below. And don't forget, I made a Discord group for you guys to join if you want more help or have questions. See you guys in the next one.